Hey guys, this is Santo with Quest Dehumidifiers here. Today's video we're going to go over replacing the Temp RH inlet sensor here. So sometimes when or anytime you get the E1 error code that you see on our display board, that involves this sensor right here. And at times, if you're having issues with calibration, that would be that sensor as well. So we're going to get into it here a little bit and how to replace this. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and replace the Temp RH inlet sensor here. So what you'll need for that, you'll need a driver with 11/32 driver bit, and you'll also need a small flathead screwdriver. So what we're going to do, some nut up here, I'm going to remove that, back that out. The sensor itself, you'll notice on the seam here, it's like a wider opening on the ends. I'm going to drive your flathead in there, carefully drive your flathead in there, and remove the plastic covering. So instead of replacing the entire part, we're just going to replace the sensor. Usually what happens is Tech Service will send you this whole part, wire and all, sensor wire and all. You know, a quick replacement. Instead of having to open up your unit and get to the power board and replace the entire part, we're just going to replace the head to the sensor. I'm going to remove wire clip here. Go into the new sensor. Again, carefully. Top. Move that wire clip. Wiggle that out. Replace it. Wiring back in here through the new sensor. Place the sensor body at the top here. Snap that on in. Right on that nut. And there you go. That's how we replace the Temp RH inlet sensor.